I hopefully believe that you all are quite fine. And over here, student, we will discuss about a poem, How to Tell Wild Animals, composed by Caroline Wells. Student, here we will discuss, we will read, we will know about the poet, introduction of the poem and explanation of the poem How to Tell Wild Animals. Actually, this poem has been composed by Caroline Wells, and Caroline Wells was an eminent American writer and poetess. She was born on 18 June 1862 and she was died on 26 March 1942. Caroline was famous for books based on mystery. It means she used to write, she used to compose mysterious books, and some of her famous works are at Sign of the Sphinx, Sign of the Sphinx, and the Jingle Books, and also the Love. The story of Betty is also a famous book composed, written by Caroline Wells as an American poetess writer. Now, students, introduction of the poem, as it has been depicted in your book First Flight, that this humorous poem suggests some dangerous ways to identify wild animals. So we can say that Caroline Wells, a poetess, has explained the characteristic of the various types of wild animals. She has depicted, she has expressed characteristic qualities and disqualities of wild animals, that how can we understand them, how can we recognize them, how can we know about all those wild animals. Actually, she has written about lion, Bengal tiger, leopard, bears, and some other creatures. Also, she has used language in a way that it has been humorous. Means she has accepted humorous style to depict, to write about wild animals, and that's why we can say that she has used funny way to describe wild animals. She is introducing the readers to various kinds of wild animals, as I have already told about creatures, various wild animals. Here we will discuss about explanation of this poem. Your first stanza: if ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east. If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east means if you will go in eastern part of the forest by chance, if you will go eastern part of the forest by chance, then you will come across, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, and if there is a large huge animal who contains large and huge body skin will appear in front of you, and if that creature, if he roars at you, if he is roaring at you, then you are dying. You feel that you will die out of fear. You will die out of fear means if you are feeling great fear, if you are feeling a hazardous moment of life because of his roaring sound, then you should understand, you must understand about that creature, that is the Asian lion. If he roars on you and you feels dying, you feels that you will die out of fear, you are going to die because of fear, because of such a great roaring sound, such a furious, hazardous, dreadful, awful sound, then you must think of that this creature is the Asian lion. So, first stanza we have completed about feature, form, quality, or even roaring quality or disquality, we can say, of an animal. Of course, it is a quality of animal to roars, and जब शेर दहाड़ता है, then we can understand because of his roaring that this is a lion. It has been depicted by Caroline Wells humorously. Now, second stanza, we can also know about rhyming scheme, that if ever you should go by chance, then to jungle in the east, chance we can mark as A, east we can mark B, again there is advance. So there is rhyming scheme, rhyming between chance and rhyme between chance and advance. So chance we can mark as A, east we can mark as B, again advance we can mark A, and west we can mark B. So till here AB, but next lines we can read, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. Dying and lion, we can dying mark C, lion mark again C, because same rhyming word has been repeated, dying and lion. AB, CC. Student, second stanza, or if sometime when roaming round, a noble wild beast greets you with black stripe on a yellow ground, just notice if he eats you, and these simple rules may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. Here, or if sometime when roaming round, or if you come across of a wild when roaming round, जब कई बार आप किसी आवारा घूमते हुए, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है एक नोबल वाइल्ड, श्रेष्ठ आदरणीय जंगली जानवर आपका ग्रीट करता है, आपको ग्रीट करता है, आपका अभिवादन करता है, जिसकी पीली खाल पर विद ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स ऑन येलो ग्राउंड, जिसकी पीली खाल पर ब्लैक स्ट्राइप हो, काली धारियां बनी हो, तो you will know about that creature, that is Bengal tiger. We will discuss again about second stanza, and over here I think that you all would like it. Thank you all of you. See you again in our next video for second stanza. Thank you.